happy Friday. I know I haven't been up here in a while, probably like a week and a half or so, but I'm here. It's been a little hectic. I haven't been really feeling that great, but anyway, I'm not gonna ramble on. I have 4 clients today. I've already taken one. I have 2 makeup clients left and a nail client, so I'm gonna film as much as I can and see what kind of video we can get out to.
I ain't doing it. You better get them with her.
Open. And then open. Good morning. My butt is like lopsided. So, between my allergies and freaking burping. But anyway, good morning. Today is, what is today? Today is Thursday, July 14th. It is also my baby's birthday. She is 9 today. I just dropped the kids off to camp and to my mother's house. The baby, my youngest, which is my 3-year-old, she's got some sort of like stomach thing going on. So I was woken out of my sleep at about 4:30 a.m. with throw up. So yeah, that was fun before work this morning. So we've had like a hectic start. She's doing good, but just tummy's a little off right now. So we've all kind of like been through it. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, there's always a lot going on. So I try to get these videos in when I can, in between all the chaos. But the middle 2 are in camp, and where am I headed? I'm headed to work. So today is a busy day. I have 5 clients today. I have a classic fill. I have a classic full set. I have, what else do I have? I have a facial, a Brazilian wax, and my last client is a volume fill. So we got a lot going on today. And you guys, I had, in the video that I'm going to post before this one, I was mentioning how I felt guilty because I took some services off. And the biggest change is not having any nail services available for the time being. And I think probably indefinitely for myself. I love doing nails, but I realized I love doing them on myself and my daughters and, stuff like that. I like doing it for fun, not as a job. Especially because, I don't know, maybe it's like my own selfish reasons, but I want to pick, my creative designs. I want to have creative free range. So, and I felt like I couldn't do that with my clients. So, yeah. Right now I'm debating on if I'm going to keep one client on. That's my manicure client, because I really love her and I don't want to see her go, and she only comes for manicures. So I would hate to not be able to keep servicing her. So I might keep one manicure client, but other than that, we're done. And hers are so simple, like I don't mind doing it at all. It takes me a good 20 minutes to a half hour to get her situated. She gets no design. She just likes a nice clean look with maybe a pop of color here and there, and that's it. So I don't mind doing that. But yeah, so anyway, I almost felt guilty again last night because I was like looking through Instagram and TikTok, and I follow so many nail profiles. And I was like, oh, I wouldn't do that. I want to do this. But you know what? Like I said before, I'm going to use it for content. So I will still be creating videos and stuff like that. But from now on, it'll just be for content purposes. And, it kind of serves 2 purposes, because I'll be getting my nails done and still being able to create and have fun with something I enjoy, and to be able to share it with you guys.